Hi students, this video is for the degrees of comparison. In the last class we saw about adjectives, right? Okay, adjectives are used to describe the nouns and pronouns. Here adjectives have 3 degrees that compare one thing to another. Okay, adjectives have 3 degrees of comparison. The 3 degrees of adjectives are positive, comparative and superlative degree. The comparative degree and superlative degree are used to compare between two or more subjects or objects. For example, Tina is taller than Abhishek. Okay, when you are comparing two persons, we are using comparative degree like adding ER. Read the second sentence. Tina is the tallest girl in the class. In this sentence is the superlative degree, which means she is comparing to the class. So, when you are comparing one person to two or more people, we are using superlative degree by adding est in the adjective. We will see the 3 kinds of comparison now. A. Comparing with ER and EST. We just adding ER for comparative and EST for superlative here. B. Comparing with comparison with more and most. When you can't add ER and EST in the adjective, we just use more and most. Usually the word which is end with full. It's beautiful, right? Beautiful, powerful. When it ends with full and when it ends with ing word, ing, like frightening, interesting and so on. Then the word which is end with OUS, like dangerous, famous, like that. Then the word which is end with able, like comfortable, valuable, sensible and all. Okay, when you are using more and most, check whether the adjectives having 3 or more syllables. If they have 3 or more syllables, so you formed by adding more and most. The next one, C. It is like an irregular adjectives. Here we should not add ER and EST or more and most. When we are using comparative and superlative degree for the irregular adjectives, the word itself changed. For example, good, better, best. Okay, when you are using comparative, it's better. Superlative is best. Little, less, least. Much, more, most. Bad, worse, worst. Many, more and most. So this is considered as the irregular adjectives. So here are the few rules to follow the degrees of comparison. Like than is used after the comparative degree and the is used before the superlative degree. So this is helpful for you to find out. Write the correct degree easily. You should not use the double comparative and superlative degree such as more, better and most, loveliest and all. I hope you all understand the 3 degree of comparison. Now do this exercise on your own. Thank you.